get Ganesh idol, jaggery, bajra atta, broom.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to channel Indian Angels in Japan. Many people informed us that our videos will be very useful to the people who are moving to Japan or planning to shift to Japan. Therefore, we thought of making videos about life of Indians in Japan.
Compared to Middle East or Europe or USA, Japan is very less explored country. But still we are almost 38,000 Indians in Japan and most are residing in Tokyo, Yokohama or Osaka area. So it will be very exciting to see how Indian people manage their daily life in Japan. We have some topics that will give an idea about it.
So today we are going to show you the Indian grocery shops in Japan. This is very important for any Indian at any corner of the world. How I will get Indian grocery. As we know, 3 C's always connect Indians with each other and with the other world. Curry, cricket and computers. So for curry, getting Indian spices is very important. In Japan, also many importers and grocery shops are available where Indians can get grocery items.
We will try to show how Indians, basically not only Indians, I would say Indians, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, Nepali and Sri Lankans get the Indian groceries and spices. What are the things available and what are the prices of those items?
In Tokyo, Ojima, Funaburi and Nishikasai are the areas where many Indians live. This is because of availability of Indian school. In Yokohama, which is near to Tokyo, Tokaichiba and Kawasaki are the areas where Indian schools are available. And at all these areas, there are Indian grocery shops.
We live in Ojima, where India International School in Japan, ISJ, is located. It is a CBSE pattern Indian International School. Here in Ojima area only, there are 7 to 8 Indian grocery shops available. So we would like to visit one of the Indian grocery shop in Ojima area. So here is Apna Bazaar, your own Indian grocery shop. Let's go inside and check the available items. In this video, we will see what items we can get in Indian grocery shop. For prices of these items, you can refer to their website indojin.com. Basmati rice of different brands. Ponni rice. India Gate Basmati rice, which is very famous in India. Sabudana. Poha. We can get besan, bajra atta, kuttu atta, chakki fresh atta, white urad dal, masoor whole, rice powder, corn flour, chana dal we can get, rava idli powder, Tata salt, tur dal, we can get masoor dal, yellow moong dal, rajma chitra. These are some ready to eat items, like we can get paneer butter masala, palak paneer, chana masala, dal fry, paneer makhani, etc. You can see we can get everything that we get in India. Definitely the prices are more than we get in India. These are tea powders like Taj Mahal, Red Label. These are pav bhaji masala. These are whole masale. These are some Indian spices. We can get everything like methi seeds, red chili, bay leaves. We can get long, mustard. This is sunflower oil. We can get that also. Kabuli chana, almonds, cashew nuts. Everyone's favorite Maggi, bhel puri. These are some Indian snacks like mixture, banana chips, garlic mix, mix farsa. You can see we can get everything that we get in India. We can get small bakarwadi, samosa, nuts. This is small bakarwadi, pani puri, chakli. You can see we can get some Indian cookies also. This is matri. Other snacks like mini samosa, papad, pani puri, khakra, soya chunks. These are some Indian cookies also we can get. This is soup, son papdi, gulab jamun. These are puffed rice, murmure, fruit jam, khari like jeera curry, methi curry. There is toast also. We can get some frozen items like roti chapati, Punjabi samosa, parathas, motichur laddu, gujia, rasmalai, kaju katli. We can get Horlicks also. This is badam drink. These are different types of pickles like mango pickle, mixed pickle. This is Chyawanprash and Patanjali honey also we get. Ginger garlic paste, tomato ketchup. We can get meat, frozen mutton, mutton keema. This is frozen paneer, Punjabi samosa, masala chai. Fresh mint and idli or dosa batter is also available. Coconut, ghee, mango pulp. We also get jaggery here. This is pudina hara. We can get brew. As is Ganesh festival next Ganesh idol we can also get. This is dhoop and agarbatti. You can see we can get puja material here used for puja. A lamp. These are some deos. This is hair color, toothpaste, hair oil and Dettol, different brands hair oil, coconut oil. Watching all this, you might be feeling that you are in one of these shops in India itself. But believe me, this is in Japan. We are very lucky that even at so far distance from India, we can get Indian grocery items and spices here. Thanks to these grocery shop owners for making these things available for us. Availability of Indian vegetables is like a dream. And during mango season, we are able to get Indian mangoes also. There are some items those are originated in India only, and it is very difficult to get those in Japan, such as paneer, ghee, meat, etc. We can get those items in the frozen form with same quality as fresh. We hope you like our videos. If possible, please let us know by commenting on our videos. Thank you very much for supporting us. Subscribe our channel if you haven't yet. Bye bye.